Hi all, hope you're well. I had a few emails recently, quite a lot actually, asking about the Briquette press. How's it performing? Am I still happy with it? I guess there's people out there now with fuel prices and that thinking about what to do with their sawdust. I am really happy with it, to the point where I think I'm actually upgrading to a slightly larger one. And if I do, I'll tell you all about that when it comes. But there's nothing wrong with this little 20 blocks it makes. I'll take you over and show you it working. It is a phenomenal machine. Just basically, I plug it in the morning, switch it on, dump all my sawdust, as I'll show you, and then I just forget about it. So there's my sawdust room. There's quite a lot there waiting to go in because I'm doing hot tubs. Here's the machine. I'll turn it off because you won't be able to hear me. So here's the machine, Cube 20. This is really light. This is cedar from the hot tub I'm doing. Now what someone told me was you have to make sure you seal these bags, and I did buy a bag sealer because the moisture blows the blocks. Now I have had blocks unsealed in my barn, and my barn does get, there's some sealed bags and some unsealed, and when we get flash flooding, because we haven't quite finished the guttering properly since the fire, does get quite damp in this bit, not inside there, arguably you can see it's dusty, but I have never had a block go soft ever. I mean, this is really soft wood as well, because this is cedar. The oak goes like concrete and they burn brilliantly. What we've tended to do, if I've got offcuts in my home, or if I've got offcuts for the workshop, I usually always use these to light the fires and then burn the offcuts. Obviously, we all have offcuts in the woodwork. But these things are brilliant. It's so easy to light a fire with these, and they burn really hot. You virtually never have to empty your grate. I mean, I've probably had all winter burning a few offcuts, mainly these in the home, and I've not emptied the grate once. It just burns to nothing. So this is the 20. I am actually thinking of a 35 or a 50. This is from IWM, International Woodwork Machinery. I'll put a link. They're really helpful. I think they've got one of these on demo, which you can test, because you can go there and put your own material in it and see how it works. But I have not had a single issue. You literally just start this thing. So that's it really. You can hear it whirring away in the background. So just an update really, because I've had so many questions, and rather than answering loads of emails, I thought I'd do a video. You can see it. I've been using it ever since I bought it, non-stop. It's making briquettes all day long, every day. Never had an issue. I love the machine, which is why I'm thinking of going to a slightly bigger one. Makes the material a bit quicker. Maybe one day even a bag, carousel. We don't make enough sawdust for the carousel system really. But I was looking at acquiring sawdust off other joineries around here, and if I did do that, maybe the carousel, and then maybe I'd start selling them. I haven't actually sold the blocks. Maybe I've sold 10 bags, get about 15 to 20 quid a bag depending on what it is. Maybe I've sold 10 because I burn it all myself and it's so nice to use. My wife loves using it as well. So anyway, just a quick update. Hope you're all well. I hope you find that helpful. See you all soon.